In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail offline on your laptop or PC and send emails without an internet connection. This process is simple and efficient, and it's a handy feature to have, especially if you travel a lot or have unreliable internet service. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening your Gmail account. Go ahead, navigate to your preferred web browser and enter Gmail's URL to bring up your inbox. Once you've got your Gmail open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click on it to open up a drop-down menu. From there, select the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where you can make changes to your account preferences. Now you'll want to locate the Offline tab among the array of options that are now displayed to you. The Offline tab is where you'll configure your ability to use Gmail when you're not connected to the internet. Once you've clicked on this tab, you'll notice an option labeled Enable Offline Mail. Simply check this box, and you're on your way to setting up offline access. Following this, it's time to decide how many days of email messages you'd like to sync. You have a choice here which can be tailored to the amount of information you typically access. Choose the duration that best suits your needs, whether it's the last week, month, or beyond. This selection will dictate how many messages you'll be able to access without an internet connection. You also have the option to download attachments. Consider whether you want emails with attachments available while offline, as these could take up more storage space. Additionally, you'll need to decide whether you want to keep the offline data or have it removed when you log out from your Gmail. Both of these choices depend on your storage capacity and personal preference. Once you've made these decisions, don't forget to click Save Changes to ensure your new settings are applied. After you've saved the changes, Gmail will automatically begin loading the data you specified. This will allow you to access your emails even when there's no internet available, ensuring you always have the essential information right at your fingertips. And there you have it. Now you know how to set up Gmail for offline use on your laptop or PC. It's a fantastic way to stay connected and organized no matter your internet situation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.